Hi, I'm Malcolm from SalesAsk, and I am a senior account executive. And I know what you're wondering, what does SalesAsk do? Part of it's in the name. We help builders sell more homes. We do that by transcribing sales conversations, providing actionable insights and help drafting better follow-ups, and ultimately getting every sales rep a personalized AI sales coach. The builder space is all about relationships. Top of mind for us, we have the Shore Summit, we have Builder Innovator, we have Zonda. We were just at an Impact 88 collab event alongside all of the usual integrators, whether it's Lasso, HubSpot, and you name it. Our goal is to really focus on the relationships over the revenue and have long-standing partners in the environment. I know what you're thinking, AI is everywhere. Our mindset is to make it as seamless as possible for people to get to the information they need. Agentic AI is on our mind. What that ultimately means is making your job easier. Having a personal assistant, having someone to transcribe conversations for you, as well as making that integration with your CRM that much more slick without you having to change anything in your workflow. It's AI focused, but making AI accessible to builders just like you. How we differentiate is a really good question. I'll keep it simple. 3 things: relationships, speed, and level of professionalism. Given where we're at in the market, we're dynamic enough to meet you where you need to be and adapt our platform to your needs. We're built to help you scale, and ultimately, when it comes to pricing, it's all inclusive. There's gonna be no hidden fees, and you know exactly what you're signing up for from day one with a proven track record to show it. The best way to get in contact with us is really simple. I'm on site at a bunch of Builder Innovator events. You can check our website at www.salesask.com. Send us a message, send me an email. I'm Malcolm Walker-Hendricks. Usually I respond within a couple of minutes, and if it's not me, it might be AI, but ultimately we're getting back to you as soon as we can, and we're happy to have a chat to see how it can be set up in your environment.